Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on Binance with your card. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. If you're new to Binance, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the first link in the description or until you see the first link in the comment section below, where it will refer you to make an account with up to 100 euros bonus as our special offer. Now, all you have to do is open your Binance account, and then from here on the main page, it will show you a button that says add funds. Simply click on it. And then from here it's going to show you multiple options, and you're going to select the first one where it says buy with USD, buy crypto easily via bank transfer, card and more. Click on it, and then from here it's going to show you the amount, and so you can buy for however much, and then you can select and specify whichever cryptocurrency you want to buy directly by. So from here you have USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum or whatever else. Finally, you're going to select whatever payment method you would like, so either it's going to be your own credit card or you can add a new one. And for me, I have saved mine already right here. And that's pretty much it. Once you click on preview order, it will show you the summary and how many fees, and then you can simply click on buy, and now you will own Ethereum on your Binance wallet. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.